Here is how to use your Ledger Nano S hardware wallet step by step. First, connect your Ledger Nano S to your computer using the USB cable. On your Ledger device, enter your PIN code to unlock it. Now, open the Ledger Live app on your desktop or mobile device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Inside Ledger Live, go to My Ledger to check for firmware or app updates. Install any updates if prompted. Then, go to the Accounts tab and choose Add Account. Select the crypto you want to use like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, and install the corresponding app on your Ledger device. Once installed, open the crypto app on your Ledger. Ledger Live will then detect it and let you add your wallet address. You can now send, receive, and manage crypto directly through Ledger Live, with every transaction requiring approval on your device screen. Always verify details like wallet address and amount before confirming any transaction on the Ledger device. That's how to use the Ledger Nano S, secure, easy to set up, and essential for long-term crypto safety. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.